Going to do a quick review of SpaceX stock price. So this is the hourly chart, guys. Not too much price action, so it makes it pretty simple. We had a trend here. They managed to make it up here. There is a target at this high at 225.64, so they eventually will be getting through that. So they made a downtrend, and this is a price level that we didn't want them closing above. They managed to just put price above it without closing, which is exactly what we wanted to go down. And now we have that short right through that low. Now they managed to break that low, but they weren't able to close under that, which isn't cool. The best scenario. It's not to say that they're not going to go lower, but we definitely do want them to start closing under that level. Now, if they're going to go down, we want them to just shred through the situation. However, it is possible that they will reject from this bar and manage to make it higher. So this is currently, there's no uptrend on the board. It's in a complete downtrend. This will be an important price level if they do end up making it back up here. And yeah, guys, let's just see how they react to the zone. If they do push off from the zone and you see them something along these lines, like you see the bar push into it, reject, and leave a wick behind. Let's do something like that. We want them to push into it and reject, leaving a wick behind. Now that's ideal, and we would want to take that up from that situation, guys. Now I don't think it's looking good, and I think that they can break this low and go lower. So that's just something to think about. But this would be their last resort to get back up. And if you wanted to enter on a long, your stop would be right behind this bar at 147.11, and hopefully you would be able to enter around something closer. And yeah, so if you want something, if you want to trade this stuff with a little closer to price, meaning like stops that are entering price when it's without a stop being $20 away, you would have to go on a smaller time frame. But right now we're looking at long-term moves, and long-term, once they break this, if they break this low, I should say, they're going to be going much lower. Let's see if we have anything on the daily. Yeah, so just to remove this. Yeah, so on the daily, guys, they're pushing off of this zone, and we want to just see them go. So there is a projection here, and they are projecting that they can get significantly lower. Let's just do something along these lines. Now, just keep in mind, guys, this could take a few days to get to. So we're projecting this price at 129.65. Now, obviously, guys, if they're able to reject from the zone and create a nice bullish setup and get back up, they're not going to be getting to that target. But I believe that's not the case. If they do get up higher, they should not want to close above 176.69. If they do, we're gonna see them pretty high up, to around 190 area. So ideally, guys, for the shorters, people who are shorting this. Sorry, I just gotta fix this line. But ideally, for people shorting, guys, we don't even want them passing this area here. We want them to just break this area and keep going. Now, I'm just giving this as a warning because they can definitely make this kind of scenario at this level, and if they do make it up, we definitely don't want them closing above here. So, and once they fail to close above this level, they'll make it back down to that low. So, currently no uptrend, guys. I would not consider buying this market yet, unless we see a good rejection from this zone here. So, yeah. Daily's projecting that we can get much lower, so something to think about. So that's 130. Let's just see where that would look over here. That would be right about here, which makes sense. All right, guys. Best of luck with your trading. Take care.